Hey guys, Adrienne Green, Realtor here, and today I wanted to explain something about Chattanooga for those people who are looking at Chattanooga for real estate, either as an out-of-town investor or maybe you live outside of the Chattanooga area and you're thinking about moving to Chattanooga. I know when I came to Chattanooga, one thing that confused me as I was looking at places and looking at the area is that all these different areas all have Chattanooga as their address. So I wanted to kind of dive into that a little bit and explain it in case there's any confusion. So first, you have the city of Chattanooga. And within the city of Chattanooga, you have different neighborhoods, right? Like North Chat or North Shore or Highland Park or Orchard Knob, St. Elmo, South Side, Missionary Ridge, right? These are all neighborhoods within the city of Chattanooga, and they all are still going to have a Chattanooga address. In addition to that, you also have different cities that will be in the Chattanooga area that also have Chattanooga mailing addresses. So a couple examples of that, or the first one I'd mention, is the city of Red Bank. So Red Bank is kind of an interesting city. It's on the north side of Chattanooga, and it is entirely enclosed by the city of Chattanooga. So the city of Red Bank is its own municipality, entirely surrounded by the city of Chattanooga. And addresses in Red Bank say Chattanooga as their mailing address. So you can't tell by the address alone whether or not it's in the city of Red Bank. The city of Eastridge is another city like that, where the addresses will say Chattanooga, but it's its own municipality with its own rules, departments, etc. So those are the two big areas that are their own municipalities that still say City of Chattanooga, but we also, like I said, have all these different neighborhoods that also say Chattanooga as the mailing address. So there's really no way to know just by looking at a listing online what area it's in or what municipality it's in, because they're all going to say Chattanooga for the address. And so you really have to look at it on a map in order to determine what area it's in. So that's something, as you're looking at a listing, realize that there are at least 3 different municipal cities here that all will have a mailing address that says Chattanooga. And the other thing, other than looking at a map, my other tip for if you're looking at a house listing to determine its area is that in this region, on those listings, we often have the schools put in there. And so schools are a way to generally know where a house is without having to map it and see it there. But I will note that realize that schools are all done by the Hamilton County School District. So all these different cities or municipalities are within that Hamilton County School District. And so I specifically mentioned this for Red Bank because Red Bank has an elementary, middle, and high school that are all called Red Bank. And their zoning is not necessarily the municipality of Red Bank. So specifically for the middle and the high school, there's going to be people going to Red Bank Middle and Red Bank High School who do not live in the city of Red Bank, in case it wasn't confusing enough. All right, so guys, I just wanted to kind of do a little bit of a detail there about mailing addresses and what you'll see on listings, and I hope that that clarifies a little bit for you as you're looking at houses here in the Chattanooga area. So like I said, you can kind of get a quick look or idea of where things are by looking at what schools they zone to, and if you build up your knowledge about what schools are in what area, that can be a quick way to tell what neighborhood something's in. If one of the schools has the name Orchard Knob in it, then it's probably in or around the Orchard Knob neighborhood, as another example. And then second, you just have to map them. And you just have to see on a map where they are. I know that's frustrating. Personally, I like when the address gives me some indicator of where in the city this house is, but that's not something we have here until you're really well versed with the region, and then you'll recognize at least a good number of the street names and know where they are based on the street name. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions looking at houses in the Chattanooga area, or you're looking to buy into the market here, please do reach out. Always happy to help people. Adrienne Green, Realtor in Chattanooga with Keller Williams, specializing in helping people build wealth through real estate. If you'd like to learn more, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.